are doing good. During this lockdown, this video is an effort to make you all understand so that you can prepare very effectively for your boards examination. So this video is uploaded as accordance to the syllabus prescribed, the revised ISC syllabus for commerce and business studies. The topic which we are going to discuss today is coordination and an essence of coordination in the management. So let us proceed further. Okay, so imagine a football team where there is no harmony, no coordination, no group effort. So do you think that team may go on to win the tournament? Absolutely not. They may win one game, two game, but not whole tournament, because there needs to be a coordination, a very effective and proper coordination in order to achieve organizational goals, or in order to achieve the target. Similarly, so what is coordination? So coordination is a process of unifying, synchronization of all activity that is required to be performed in order to achieve the goal. For an example, in the management process, you see planning is there, organizing is there, staffing is there, recruiting is there. But if there is no linkage, if there is no coordination among themselves, among this unit of management, then definitely management would not happen successful. So coordination is very required, because it is the process of harmonizing and bringing together everything, right thing at right place, and everyone is well equipped, well coordinated. Okay, so we go to discuss the essence of coordination. You see, coordination is required at all levels. It is very important. So it becomes of very prime importance to discuss an essence of coordination, and it may also come near examination. So discussing about the essence of coordination, number one is what? Coordination is required at all levels of activity in the management, be it top level, the middle level, or the lower level. Everywhere coordination is required. Then we go on to discuss second is what? Required all levels of management, and it is the important function of management, which means without coordination, even the smallest activity in the organization cannot be done properly. There won't be a fluency in doing the business of the organization. Third point that we want to discuss is what? Efficiency in the business. The word efficiency here means what? Smooth running without any interruption. If coordination is not there, there needs to be always coordination between men, material, money, and entrepreneur. Okay? If there is no coordination, then the process in the organization will not run smoothly. And the fourth is effective managerial role. Coordination enhances effective managerial role. That means what the manager is intending to cascade to the subordinates gets fulfilled only when the subordinate is ready to coordinate. So if there is no coordination, then the manager cannot play the effective role in the organization. The last and the very important point is what? Achieving organizational goals. If coordination is not there, then none of the business in the world can achieve target. As I cited you the example of football. If there is no coordination between players, if there is no coordination between the manager and the players, or the captain and the players, then they will not be able to win the cup or trophy in the tournament. Similarly, an organization will not be able to achieve target if there is no coordination. So I hope through this video I am able to make you understand the concept of coordination and essence of coordination. So please watch properly and also refer your book. Good luck for your future endeavors.